Crepes are a delicious and versatile breakfast food. Whether you're in the mood for a savory crepe, like a quiche, or sweet crepe, there's a crepe maker to fit your needs. Looking for the best crepe makers? Look no further than our list of the top 5 crepe makers. From budget-friendly models to high-end machines, we've got you covered. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mousse and Stone Electric Crepe Maker. The non-stick coated plate surface let you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortilla, tacos, blintzes, eggs roll, chapati and many more kind of breakfast favorites in 20 seconds even with no cooking experience. This electric crepes maker with the automatically temperature controller to prevents burning. Plus additional high-powered heating element 120 volts, 60 Hz, 800 W temperature control, operated by the one press button on, off switch to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. The intimate long big handle design for easy holding, operating, saves space and let you feel safe and fall in love to use it. The crepe machine is compact, quick and convenient cooktop, to let you simple set down and take off from any position. This non-stick crepe maker has a large cooking area of 8 inches, makes it easy to create restaurant-style crepes. These round electric single crepe maker with non-stick surface cleans. Simply wipe the cooking plate over with a damp cloth and your crepe maker electric is clean. To make breakfast preparation easier, this electric crepes maker comes with a batter tray. This pan-style griddle is great for cooking at a fast pace, especially for daily hectic schedules. Perfect for any countertop, tabletop and kitchen top. Number 2. G&M Kitchen Essentials Crepe Maker. This electric crepe maker has a 12 inches diameter and non-stick aluminum surface. It is designed this crepe maker electric with precision, giving you perfect crepes with each use. This crepe maker is easy to use, store and clean. It also doubles as a pancake machine or griddle. This crepe maker machine has a built-in indicator light that signals when the crepe pan is at the perfect temperature. The included batter crepe spreader gives a thin, even, and uniform texture. Number 3. Cucina Pro Griddle and Crepe Maker. Delicate crepes and blintzes are made quickly and easily on this 12 inches non-stick crepe maker and griddle. 5 different temperature settings, you'll have precise control for perfect results. The aluminum plate is also ideal for using as a griddle, perfect for making stacks of pancakes, bacon and other breakfast favorites. The on-off ready light lets you know when the plate is hot enough, and rubber feet on the bottom provide extra stability. It includes recipes for basic crepe batter, fresh mushroom crepes, and blueberry blintzes. Number 4. Procter Silex 38400 Electric Crepe Maker. 13 inches non-stick cooking surface. 8 heat levels. The control you need to get a perfectly golden finish, and the right heat to also cook homemade flour tortillas. A batter cup and spreader lets you easily achieve that signature paper-thin consistency. And the extra-large spatula was specifically designed to make flipping and folding your crepe practically foolproof. Easy to use. Just pour the batter, spread and flip. When finished, the non-stick surface easily wipes clean. Great for breakfast, dinner and dessert. Number 5. Cucina Pro Cordless Crepe Maker. On-off switch has a ready light to indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. Dipping plate and a batter spatula are included to help you create the thinnest crepes. Electric base has a cord wrap for neat and easy storage. Instruction, recipe booklet included which takes the guesswork out of use and crepe preparation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this content helpful. Hit the bell button to get notification as soon as I publish more videos. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions regarding these products. I will be in touch with you as soon as possible.